Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, solve the polynomial divisions. Here we have to divide the polynomial minus 4a square plus 29a minus 30 divided by another polynomial minus 4a plus 5. Do this by long division. Minus 4a square plus 29a minus 30 divided by minus 4a plus 5. Firstly, we need to multiply this minus 4a by a to get this 4a square. So, minus 4a square plus 5a. Okay, do that subtraction. That signs will change. Minus 4a square plus 4a square is 0. Plus 29a minus 5a is 24a. Move this minus 30 down. Now multiply this 4a by 6 by minus 6 to get 24a. So here take a minus 6. Now multiply this minus 4a plus 5 by minus 6. So we will get minus 6 into minus 4a is 24a. Okay. Then minus 6 into plus 5 is minus 30. Do that subtraction. Signs will change. 24a minus 24a is 0. Minus 30 plus 30 is 0. So our remainder is 0. Hence, the answer of that division is our quotient, which is a minus 6.